How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Stage 6 Motorsports 2-Step for this 2016 Dodge Challenger ScatPack. So if you guys have been with the channel for a few weeks now, you'll know that I posted a few videos of my trip up to OST Dyno to get the long tube headers and catalyst mid pipes installed on this car. And when I was up there, I was actually supposed to get the 2-step installed at the same time as I got the headers installed. But unfortunately, since I told them about that like a week before I actually went up there, they only scheduled enough time to install the headers and not the 2-step. So they went ahead and ordered the 2-step for me just so I could have it. And I'm actually going to be unboxing it right now and reviewing it like I said. So let's go ahead and get to that. So here's the box that it came in, just a regular white box. There you can see Stage 6 Motorsports. They shipped it to OST Dyno, and that's where I picked it up from because they ordered it for me. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this box. So the first thing is just some packing paper that you see here. That's all it is. So here's the actual stuff. So the actual 2-step box came in this little thing. I'm not really sure what to call it, but that's what it looks like. So you can see it's just your basic 2-step box, and right there, that's where you adjust your RPMs that you want it set at, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, it looks like a pretty good quality box. Let's get to some of the other parts that are in this box. Alright, so here it looks like you have all your hardware. Honestly, guys, I'm really not sure what all this stuff is. I'm not good with like electrical stuff or anything like that, really. So there's a closer look at this bag and all that. I don't want to open it up just because I don't want to lose anything in here. But there you see all that. And next we have a bunch of wires. No, I'm not the best at explaining all of this stuff. Like I said, I really don't know anything about this. So yeah, you got some wires here. And then you got some more wires. So it actually did come with instructions, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the instructions right now. There you can see the first page, the front cover of the instructions, Stage 6 Motorsports 2-Step. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, then it says, warning, if you aren't comfortable with electronics, please seek professional help. Failure to properly install the 2-step will result in damage to the vehicle PCM and electronics. Then it says, note, the engine RPM must drop 1200 RPMs of the set launch limit in order to activate. For example, if the launch limit is set at 3000 RPMs, the engine speed must drop below 1800. In order for the launch limit to become active, launch limit cannot be 2000 RPMs and below. Then below that, it just has the wiring instructions like you see. I'm not going to read all of this. I don't want to bore you guys, but if you want to read all of it, you can go ahead and pause the video and read that right there. Let's look at the next page. So here it actually shows you some pictures. So here it says, for automatic cars, the switch will be mounted at brake pedal, and there's a picture of the brake pedal for automatic right there. Manual transmission cars, the switch will be mounted at the clutch pedal. Mounting bracket will need to be slightly modified to work with supplied switch or use factory clutch switch. And there's a picture of that as well. There's actually a cool wiring diagram right there too, as you can see. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. So that's all that came in the box. As you can see, there's nothing else with that. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure to do that and help me out and support the channel if you'd like. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know a while back I filmed a video of a pro-charged Challenger SRT 392. He actually had a 2-step launch control on his car. Except his was a manual. So it was activated by the clutch pedal, so whenever he held the clutch in, he just floored the gas and then dumped the clutch, and that's how you launch it with the 2-step on that car. Other future plans that I have for this car is I wanted to definitely get Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, probably the 305s for this car, and also Bravado 18 by 10s, I believe. So that'll be a pretty cool setup for the rear, because right now I still have the stock 245s, which literally have no traction, anywhere below like 40 miles an hour or something like that. I think that would also give it a really good look in the back, because they would probably stick out a little bit and give that really like aggressive look to the car. That's probably something I'll get in the future. Also, I wanted to get a Corsa Extreme catback with the black polished tips, the quad exhaust, so I think that would give it a really aggressive sound. I know Family Cruisin' has that same exact exhaust on his Hellcat. He just has the catback, and he still has the stock headers on his, but he has the catless mid pipes and a mid muffler delete, which is also what I have. So basically the only difference would be that I have the long tube headers and he just has the stock headers, but his is really extremely loud, so it even sounds louder than this car. So that just shows you how much louder this car still can be with that Corsa Extreme catback. So that's something that I'm thinking about. Not sure if it'll happen anytime soon, but let me know if you guys would want to see that on this car. Something else that I'm thinking about getting is actually a carbon fiber steering wheel from Beath Performance. I think that's how you say their name, but I'm not completely sure. So that's probably what I'm going to be getting next for this car. The install seems pretty simple. The only hard part is actually getting the airbag piece off, which is like the first step that you have to do to replace the steering wheel. So that's something that I'm definitely looking into. That's probably what I'm going to get next for this car. Then as for engine upgrades, I'm thinking about getting an upgraded cam maybe, but I'm really not sure, because I want to keep this car as reliable as possible. I don't just want to, you know, make it break down every time I go to floor it or something. I know it probably won't happen, but I just want to play it safe, just be on the safe side. It's making 470 wheel horsepower right now. With a cam, I could probably get around like, I don't know, 520, 540, something like that, depending on which one I get. I'm really not sure what I could get. I know I could get like a Comp 270 or something like that. OST Dyno has their custom cams, and I might look into that also. I know this wasn't probably the most exciting video that I have put out, but I just wanted to make a quick update video for you guys and do an unboxing of the two-step, because I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like and pretty much just do an unboxing video. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos or future mods that I could do to this car, make sure to leave those in the comments. And if you liked this video or found it informative in any way, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.